This is NAVITEL T757 4G, and today I will demonstrate you can set up parental controls for this device. So firstly, you will need to open Settings, then find and enter the Accounts or Passwords and Accounts category, and remove all Google accounts that are added to your system, which will be displayed right over here, if you have any to begin with. If you do not have any Google accounts added or linked to your system, you can simply skip this step and go over it. Instead, go for the Google category, and well, after you have deleted an account, you should also go for the Google category of settings. So that's the general rule for both types of people. I mean, for people who do have their account and removed it, and for those who didn't have an account to begin with. So anyway, enter Google category, go for the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Now you're gonna sign into your child's Google account, so let me do exactly that. So once the child's account you have just logged into appears on the list over here, you will need to select it. For this tablet, it, as you can see, took some while, but well, we've eventually gotten there, so all good. So tap at the account, and now as you can see, we have to enter the credentials for another Google account, but this time for the one that we are going to use as a parent to supervise our child's activity. So input the email and password for the Google account you will be using to supervise your child or to look after your supervisee. And then you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page. Scroll it all the way down and input the child's Google account password one more time. Then tap at the Agree button to your bottom right. Then hit the Allow button from the dialog window and link the child and parental accounts. Or rather, wait until they will be linked. Then once the process is finished, you gotta tap at the Next button over here. Then the following two steps of the setup we can skip, since there is no good reason for focusing our attention on those things right now, which are the app management step and the filters and age restrictions is the next one. So all of those things we can do on the parental device, and there is just no apparent good reason for us to waste our time on them, right now at least. From here, if the device that is highlighted over here is the phone or tablet that you will use to supervise your child, you can tap at the blue button, Install Family Link, over here, and the required app will be downloaded automatically on your phone, parental phone I mean, but you can just make it manually and skip this step as well. So at the child's end, everything was successfully set up. Now you gotta take your parental device, or as I've already mentioned, the device you will use to supervise your child, and download the free Family Link app by Google from the Play Store. Then launch it once the app is ready. Make sure to sign into the Google Family Link app with your parental account, the correct one. And inside the app, you can do all sorts of stuff. So for example, see your child's device usage highlights, monitor their location. There are also plenty of controls available, which for some reason do not want to be loaded. Okay, let me quickly reload the app. So yep, apparently it attributes those issues to the lack of internet, which is not correct, since I indeed have decent internet connection, at least decent. But anyway, I mean, this app will have some controls, such as the app management controls, device time usage or time restrictions management controls, age restrictions, age filters, and such. So play it as you please, but as far as setting up parental controls, that would be more or less it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.